Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this fantastic Mitsubishi Outlander. It's the gas version, the facelifted version, and beautiful red diamond color. Today we have a beautiful sunny day, so we can see how the sun hits this paint and it just sparkles so nicely. Look at it. It's such a great color, and I absolutely love how everything looks on this car. The wheels are great. We have nice tire shine on the wheels as well. Chrome stands out beautifully. New facelifted front. We have some accessories on it as well. Outlander hood emblem, vent visors, and side moldings. We're gonna have a closer look at them as well. We also have all-weather floor mats in the vehicle. I'll show you how those look. And this one here, like I said, is the new facelifted 2025 SEL trim level Canadian spec. So I know in US, I think the SEL is the top of the line. Here in Canada, GT is the top of the line. And we have here the SEL. So SEL is, you know, as they might say it, almost fully loaded. There are a few things that are missing compared to a GT. So one would be these corner effects is going to be body colored painted in GT. And there's some, you know, the upgraded safety and electronic systems that are in place for GTs, like the My Pilot and head-up display and whatnot. But SEL is the one where it looks like the fully loaded almost already, right? Because we have these nice 20-inch wheels and a lot more stuff going on for it. So in today's video, we'll talk about exactly what you get when you upgrade to this SEL. We're gonna check out also the interior, and there's some nice things in interior as well. I'll show you very quickly how the interior is looking, then we'll come back to the exterior, and then we'll spend a little bit more time in the interior again. So this is how the new interior looks. New design for the seats. And one thing I want to mention right away as well, I'll show you exactly how it works, where the buttons are, but you do have cooled seats right now for the SEL trim level. So starting SEL, the cooled seats are there. So super important for sunny days like this right now. Everybody will want that option. So let's talk about what you get with SEL trim level. So a big one, of course, are the wheels, because these wheels now 20-inch, you go all the way from 18s on LEs, and SEL gives you these nice 20-inch wheels. I did a video on my channel talking about the wheels as well, and that video was called 19 new things on the new Outlander, and wheels was one of them. The way how Mitsubishi has designed them, they're just sort of like are overextending like this part, and the design wise they look like as if they would be larger than 20-inch wheels. So if you kind of look at it here, you can see how they did it design wise, because typically you have this wheel edge right here and it would cut off like right there, and this would be all black, and then this wheel would seem like about like this much smaller. But Mitsubishi extended this design right here and all the way like this, you see, and visually these wheels look larger actually than they are. So they're 20-inch, but I could swear they're larger, like maybe 21, maybe 22. So great design on those wheels like that. Now inside we'll have a few you know, things we're gonna look at it as well. Just wanted to show you these lower bumper parts right now that we have here in gray color, and we can see that this here, how it looks. So it used to be silver on the previous body style. Now they're all gray, and it just gives you a little bit different vibe. And I think this darker gray, same for front and back, it just looks a little bit better, and it just makes you know, visually more complete of a way for the vehicle. So those are a few things that you can see externally what's happening, and then we're gonna also have a look at the interior. While we're at it, let's check out the accessories. So we have chrome hood emblem, Outlander, looks really cool, and we have the side molding here. These side moldings you can get on my accessory website as well. Also the hood emblem, and also the vent visor. It's called MrMitsubishi.ca. You can go there, place the order. We can see the side molding is body color painted, nice chrome line right here, chrome lettering, Outlander right here, and it gives you very good visual look. So it kind of blends in, kind of stands out, does they both, and we have nice chrome line right here. And now let's have a look at the these vent visors, big vent visors. I really like this Outlander badge, and they're nice, thick, big vent visors, but they look really good for this vehicle and the way it looks. So new kind of taillights as well, and we can see the lower bumper part we have here, gray as well. So interiors, let's check it out. Okay, few things that are new in interior, and comes with SEL. So you have these like leather pointed seats. This kind of design is now on the SEL, so that's where it's different from the previous body style, and they are cooled. So let's jump on in, let's start the car, and let's get going here. Okay, so we do have the cooled seats right here. So today is a very hot day, so I'm glad that we have these cooled seats. The driver and the passenger is cooled, so we can use both of them. Let's do that. So there we go. Now I can sit in this car forever and talk about all the features. So the ventilated seats are with the SEL, the special leather seats. Then the driver power seat is 8-way adjustable, so you have sliding, reclining, height adjustable, tilt, and lumbar support. Then the key itself is also this it's called key linked memory, and that's for seat and exterior mirrors. So you have 2 keys, and each key you can individually link with your settings. So whenever the key is in this vehicle, it'll recognize the key and it'll adjust the settings automatically. So it's a good feature to have, and just keep in mind that you might have this feature if you have the SEL trim level. It's worth thinking about it and upgrading it. So you get 4-way power passenger seat, and then the second row is heated seats. So the second row, there's a button you can press, that's going to be heated. One thing you have here as well is this nice frameless auto dimming rear view mirror with the Homelink. So the Homelink buttons are right there, so you can pair them with your garage door opener. So that was a feature that was missing on the previous Outlander, and everybody wanted it. There was a special app you had to download it, subscription based, like nobody really wanted that. But you have these buttons right now, and the mirror is frameless. So if you move up to GT, it's going to be digital mirror, but SEL, nice beautiful frameless with the buttons right here. So one thing that we see right here is this 12.3-inch digital driver display. So this is what you get with the SEL as well, because the previous trim levels won't have it. And of course you also have the reverse auto tilt door mirrors. So these mirrors, so let's say you want to select the left mirror, as you put it in reverse, you will see it tilts down like this. So it's just for easier parking if you want that, if that's something that you will want. So last but not least is the rain sensing windshield wipers. If that's something very important for you, SEL trim level is a way to go. So of course it has all the other stuff like Bose sound system and everything else. Just want to show you that heated seats right here. And then also these are the rubber mats. So that's how they look from the for the back, and that's how they're in the front. So the front ones I like a lot because they are nice rubber, and they have this Outlander lettering right here. So that's very cool effect when you open the door and you see that Outlander lettering right there. Everybody wants it. So of course we also have the panoramic sunroof and all that stuff. So there we go. We just checked out this beautiful red diamond, absolutely one of my favorite colors on any Outlander. But this one, together with these accessories, it just looks exceptional. And again, this one here is SEL trim level, so visually you get the upgraded wheels. That's how you can tell that it's a upgraded trim level. And then you have a lot of different options added, like the leather seats. You can, by the way, get these seats in this black interior, also the white or light gray interior, so it's up to you. And then we have the 8-way power driver seats, 4-way power front passenger seat, second row heated seat, frameless auto mirror, 12.3-inch driver digital display, reverse auto tilt mirror, and the rain sensing wipers. So a lot of features and his beautiful Outlander. So thank you so much for checking out this SEL today. I hope you liked it as much as I did, and we'll see you next time around.